It's a Citroen DS3, or just a DS3. Today we are taking the instrument cluster out. First thing we got is this surround. To give yourself more space, drop the column down by the little lever there and pull it forward. To get this front bezel off, it literally just pulls out, so a good firm tug, and it pops out like that. And you just pop it off all the way round. This piece of trim, I've already loosened it already. This just literally pops out. Just have to get your fingers behind the clips and then pull it forward. And then there's 4 screws, torque screws, one up there, one there, and where's the other one? It is one there, and well, this one's got 3 screws. Should have the 4th screw there. Take those out, and then it lifts out. With the 4 screws out, you then pull the cluster forward, and on the back we'll see it's got one multi-plug there, little locking tab, release lever, up it comes, and the cluster is out. Simple as that. Now you're probably going to be taking this out because you've got a faulty one and you need to get it cloned. So let's get it on the bench, strip it down, and see how we can clone it. So on here now, we're going to check for the programmable memory, which is in the EEPROM here. We're going to remove it from the board, read it, and then clone it onto another circuit board, reassemble it, and get it back onto the car. So we are going to just put a little mark for the orientation of the EEPROM. We're going to get the hot air on, and we're going to remove it and read it. That's the EEPROM off the board. We're now going to put it in an EEPROM reader and read the data. We have the EEPROM mounted up in an EEPROM reader, and we're now going to read the data. And as always, we're going to verify the data. And there we have all the data from this instrument, cluster mileage and VIN numbers and everything else. We're going to save that and we're going to write it back to a new cluster in just a moment. We now have the donor EEPROM in the program tool, and we're simply going to write the original data to the EEPROM. And again, we're going to verify it. And that's all written in. Now the fun part, we got to reassemble. There we have it, all put back together. All we've got to do now is refit it on the car. If you need an instrument cluster programming for Citroen DS3 or any other component for any other car programming, simply visit ecuconnection.co.uk, where you'll find thousands of ECUs and components available in our ECU shop and many services available in our services section. Simply click on Services at the top of the page and enter your vehicle details into the easy-to-use filters on the left-hand side. Once you've entered your vehicle details, for example today we are looking for an instrument cluster for a Citroen DS3, click on the result, add it to the basket and then pay by our secure payment system. We will have your component programmed and sent back to you within a few days. We offer a Europe-wide delivery service and we'll get your vehicle back on the road in no time at all. Right, it's refit time. Get the cluster in. All we've got to do is connect up the one multi-plug here. We drop it in. Click the release lever back on. Slot it back into place. We've got the 4 screws yet to go back in, but let's see if it works. So put the ignition on, and we have life. Cluster's working. So if you need to replace a cluster in a Citroen DS3, you know where to come. Thanks for watching. Hit the like, the subscribe, share, leave a comment, do what you like. If you need one of these, you know where to come. Thanks guys, see you on the next one.